This is Shantika Ghosh, and today we are going to learn about subconscious mind and how it actually helps you to achieve whatever dream you want to do in your life. Now, before I go, what are the steps you need to follow to actually help your subconscious mind to achieve your dreams? Let's say what exactly it is. So, your mind is basically divided into two types: the conscious brain and the subconscious mind. The conscious mind is responsible for the 5% of work which you do in your life, and the subconscious mind is responsible for the 95% of work which you do in your life, and you don't know that it helps. It is so powerful. Now let's give an example and make it clear how subconscious mind is actually doing whatever you do in your life. Let's say you are preparing for any exam, any competitive exam, and you consciously say to yourself and to everyone around you that I want to crack the exam, I want to be an engineer, I want to be a doctor, so on and so forth. But deep inside in your mind, whatever you say is, I might not be able to crack the exam. There are only 1,000 seats and there are lakhs of aspirants. They are more smarter than me. They are more intelligent than me. How can I crack the exam? So that's where your subconscious mind comes into play. Your subconscious mind actually works on the belief system. Whatever you make it believe it, it will just replicate it in your life. You made it believe it that you won't be able to crack the exam, and that's gonna what happen in your real life. Now, let's say in the flip side of the story, let's say there was any competition, in a school level competition, in a debate or a dance, whatever it is, and you were super confident that I will able to grab the first prize, and you were so confident that you were even made it ready yourself that I will get the first prize. This will happen with me. So everyone will cheer me up. So on. Now that is what going to happen in your life as well. You have made it believe to yourself that your subconscious mind has made it believe, and it work in the same way that you get the first prize. Now, your subconscious mind actually works in the belief system. You are wired to win always. Now, what the line which I'm saying is very super important. You are wired to win always. In every sphere of your life, you have actually won. You are a born winner, a born champion. Now, you might be saying that, are you crazy? I have failed so many times. Now, let's make it clear. So, you have won in that case as well. So, when you are failed in any exam or any situation in your life, you have made it believe to yourself that you won't be cracking the exam, or you might fail in that exam. You have made it believe to yourself. And when you have success, you have made the success in your life, you have also made it believe to yourself that I'm super confident, I'm gonna crack this. So that's how your subconscious mind plays. You have made it believe to yourself that you are gonna pass or you're gonna win, you will surely win. If you are gonna make it believe that you are gonna fail, you might fail or anything, negative something, that is what gonna happen to you. The beliefs, you have to make the belief system stronger. Now let's say how subconscious mind has helped me to gain whatever I have done today. I have tested subconscious mind basically in two ways. Now the first one was the quicker way to actually test whether it exists, how it works. So what I did was, I am a night owl, and waking up early in the morning is super difficult for me. I cannot even imagine. So before one night, it was like 1 a.m. or so. Before I was going to bed, I just said to myself, tomorrow I am gonna wake up at 6 a.m. and I'm gonna do this task without any alarm. I have not set any alarm. Without alarm, I am gonna wake up tomorrow at 6 a.m. and I just went off to sleep. And you won't believe that it happened. I woke up just around 5:58 a.m. or 5:59 a.m. I just woke up without an alarm. So I was not believing that it happened to me. So I tested in a number of other ways for a random of values for 4 a.m. again for 6 a.m., 7 a.m., maybe midnight, anything, and it worked super well for every case. So that was my first steps to actually test subconscious mind. You might try it as well and say me in the comment section what happened to you. This is a quicker way. Now the second thing was, I was a JEE aspirant. I was preparing for a competitive exam. I wanted to be an engineer. So before I was not aware of subconscious mind, I was super negative. I was always saying that I won't be able to crack this, or maybe if some preparation exam was coming, was approaching, I would like, I won't score anything. I am terrible at maths, and that's what is replicated. I would have scored negative even in some of the exams. So then I changed my mentality. I was working very hard. At that time I was not working very hard, but my mentality was something different. My mindset was different. So what I did was, I trained myself and I made it believe myself that I will be able to get my dream college, which is Jadavpur University. Right now, I'm a student of Jadavpur University. So I made it believe myself that I am gonna go to Jadavpur University. I have that much potential. I am working super hard. So this is gonna happen to me. I will be a student of Jadavpur University, and it happened. In a course of 3 or 4 months, I made it rigorously believe myself that I am gonna be a student of that college, and I am currently now a student of that college. So these are the things are the examples. Now if I go on what are the steps you need to follow in order to make your dream come true, be it in cracking any exam, be it becoming a millionaire, or be it achieving any goal of your life, whatever it is. You just need to follow 3 to 4 steps. They are very simple, and you need to follow it just before going to bed and again waking up after that, after waking up in the morning. So just before going to bed, just close your eyes and plan and just imagine yourself. Visualization should be the strongest. You need to imagine yourself that you are actually achieving your dream. Achieving, like say, suppose if I wanted to be a millionaire, so I'm just dreaming that my bank account has millions of rupees. I am a millionaire, and this is the lifestyle I have. And whatever visualizations are required in that moment, if you have achieved your dream, or suppose you have cracked in an exam and reporters are coming to you, or your parents are super happy, your friends are super happy, you are happy yourself, what are feelings, whatever you will be feeling when you have won, you have achieved your dream, you need to visualize exactly the same thing before you have gone to bed. Just for 15 to 20 minutes, just visualize that you have won, you have achieved your dream, and just go to bed. And again, when you wake up in the morning, just repeat a few words, a few sentences. That is, which I used was that today's day, God has given me a great day, and on today's day, whatever will happen, whether it's a success or it's a failure, are made to come to me by the universe, by the God, so that I can get one step ahead to my dream. Now everything, whatever is happening to me, are responsible for making me getting my dream. And that's what exactly happened. I did that every day, day in and day out, repeatedly. Whenever I was going to bed, I just made it visualize myself that I have won my game, I have won whatever I wanted to. And again, after waking up, I was thankful, I was grateful to God for the opportunity, and I knew, and I said to myself that yeah, I am whatever is happening today is for my success. I will be successful today. Just repeat these steps for the next course of months until you get your dream, until you get your goal, and then magic will and miracle will happen, because your subconscious mind is a super intelligent thing. It's an infinite intelligence, or the treasure house that is residing inside you. There are millions of examples. If I just go on with the examples, there will be a huge video. But if you want, I can make a separate video about the examples as well. So there are millions of examples where how people have used subconscious mind to become a millionaire, to actually remember whatever they have lost, to actually gain any goal, to achieve any goal in their life. There are millions of examples. So you can be another one as well. So for this video, that's it. We will see you in the next video, and if you have liked the video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you want more such contents, more motivational contents, or contents which will inspire you to actually be more productive or in a time management, anything. Just subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.